is it, Teddy? Let's read what's on the front. Let's be helpful. That's a cool book. One more. You already opened up one of your chucks. One more. This is from Granddad Bird and Grandma Karen and Kyle and Andrew and Crystal. What is it? Hey Teddy, what is it? Another duck? Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Here. Does it make any noises? I think the other... Here, give it to Daddy and he'll open it for you. Look, he opened this one.